Hello everyone, back tuning into Stormwatch. You can have a very quick look at the risk of some heavy downpours this evening. Of course, we have the big thunderstorms in the southeast, especially around the London area and down towards Kent, through the course of last night and early this morning. They cleared away through the morning and things sort of calmed down, but now they're kicking off again a bit down in the southeast. And we've got more big showers to come for a time this evening before the whole lot trundles away into the North Sea overnight. So we'll just have a look at what's going on in a second. Before I get on with that, just to say about the ads, there's links to articles on all the pages. If you have a browse widgets, click through the links if you're having to pay for the website. We'll start with a radar and lightning detector device from the Weather Outlook. And we've got this area of heavy rain and thunderstorms heading through the channel from France in towards southern England, very much in the same sort of direction that last night's rainfall and storms went in. Of course, we know some big rainfall indeed down in the southeast, real flooding across parts of London. I think it shut down the underground certainly for a time earlier this morning. So vibrant colours in there. That's torrential rain again heading into the south and southeast. It's a little bit further north and west compared to last night as well. So some parts of the south and east Midlands into East Anglia, eventually up in towards Lincolnshire, will probably come into the firing line bits. Also, we've got some heavy showery rain across Ireland and Northern Ireland. I think that will be more of a feature tomorrow across the UK. Let's see if there's any lightning flashing away, and a big cluster of storms around the channel heading up towards the south coast. There are a few flashes of lightning to the west of London as well, between around London and Oxford. I think generally the southeast and the east will be at risk of heavy downpours and thunderstorms through the course of this evening. This is the GFS height anomaly. It's a pressure anomaly chart for 6 o'clock in the evening, and it's this area of low pressure here that's bringing all of the humid air and thunder down to the south and the southeast. It's a pretty innocuous looking feature, but it is a thundery low that's got a lot of very humid air associated with it. This is precipitation forecast from the GFS model for 6 o'clock this evening, around when you're watching the video. And of course, we've got the heavy showers here through much of central eastern parts of England up in towards Lincolnshire and East Anglia. By midnight, though, it's all moving away to the east, so things will calm down quickly. It won't rumble on through the night like it did last night. Things will very quickly calm down, and by midnight, the rain is basically just around the East Anglian coast. That's how the GFS is seeing things. What about the high-res Euroform? It's the website Weather Online. You can find a link to Weather Online on the links page. Here's the precipitation forecast for 6 o'clock this evening. So there's that cluster of heavy rain and storms coming out of the channel into southern England. See, it's generally through parts of the Midlands, particularly the south and east Midlands up towards Lincolnshire. And we know it's also going to affect East Anglia, southeastern England as well. By midnight, the whole lot's trundled away into the North Sea. So this will move eastwards quite quickly through the course of this evening. And this is the high-res Arpège model. New model from France, and we can see it's from Midchester.fr, by the way. We can see we've got precipitation being forecast here at 5 o'clock in the evening. So this is thundery through Lincolnshire down towards the East Midlands, over in some central and southeastern parts of the country as well. We run through the evening. This goes up to 9 o'clock, where things are increasingly becoming confined to Lincolnshire and East Anglia, with those storms calming down elsewhere. And by the early hours of the morning, things definitely sort of easing off, with those storms going off into the North Sea. There they go. We've got showers just left around Western Scotland and Northern Ireland. We'll just pick up on what those showers do tomorrow. So this is the forecast for tomorrow, and you see the showers are likely to get quite widespread across the country through the course of tomorrow afternoon. This is 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's quite bright colours there from Scotland right down to southern England, so there'll be a rash of showers across the country tomorrow. Some of those could be thundery. It's not a thundery scenario really tomorrow. Actually, it's cooler air coming in from the west, but just because there are big showers building up in the strong June sunshine, there could be rumbles of thunder in with those as well. So it's down in the southeast again over the next sort of 4 or 5 hours. They've got a risk of big thunderstorms from Lincolnshire through the East and South Midlands into East Anglia, then down into the southeast. Could be torrential rain, lightning, thunder, So it could really kick off again in some parts of the country. Don't be surprised if there's flooding around in places. Unlike last night, this will ease through the course of the evening, so it won't rumble on throughout the night and keep you awake. By midnight, it should be clearing the east coast, and then it'll be a quieter second half of the night. So that's how it's looking with the storms for this evening. Later on, I'll have the final update, just closing the book on the Glastonbury Festival, so come back to that if you're interested about it a bit. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the storms if you like them, and get them. Bye for now.